Happy Wednesday, everybody. We are already to Wednesday. That's what happens when you don't go to school on Monday. You get thrown off a little bit. But happy Wednesday, everyone. And let's get to our announcements. All right. Today is Wednesday, February the 23rd, and these are your morning announcements. Do it. The mission of Westside Middle School is to reveal the genius of each Wildcat through a culture of joy, respect, and excellence. Let's get Wildcat ready, everyone. Winter coats, backpacks, and purses in our lockers, including any blankets you may have brought. Hats are off, hoods are down, AirPods are in our pockets, and phones are in our locker. And the best way to get masked up Wildcats is protect yourself and others by wearing a face covering correctly. Take a look at today's schedule. Today's schedule is, again, our block schedule, a little longer classes, 9:54, 11:15 for period 5. Period 6 is the lunch period. First lunch is 1:20, 11:24, and the second lunch is 12:41. Our Past, My Future, Westside celebrates Black History Month. Let's talk a bit about our trivia from yesterday. Only a few classes got this one right, and they did not get the summer one right. So we asked the question, which African-American had the most medals of the Summer Olympics? And that's Allison Felix with 11. And which African-American has the most medals in the Winter Olympics? And that is just recently set by Elena Myers-Taylor with 5. Ariel Green, Mr. Walsh's class, got that one right. But we should know that Allison Felix has 11 on the summer side, followed closely by Carl Lewis, who has 10 on the Summer Olympic side. Black History Month slides. Thank you again, Mr. King's Advisory, for our Black History Month salute. This week, or this day, we're going into space a little bit. First off is Mae Jemison. Mae Carol Jemison is an American engineer, physician, and former NASA astronaut. She became the first Black woman to travel into space when she served as a mission specialist aboard the space shuttle Endeavour. And Katherine Johnson. Katherine Johnson was an American mathematician whose calculations of orbital mechanics as a NASA employee were critical to the success of the first and subsequent U.S. crewed space flights. So, of course, the trivia question today, and no one should have to look this up. Everyone should know what this is. What was the movie made about Katherine Johnson and her work with the space program? Please make sure you go to Canvas Inbox and send it to me. Make sure you include your advisory class as well. Let's see who can get this today. Don't forget, folks, when we talk about Black History Month, Black history is American history. Tutoring opportunities for this afternoon, Wednesday, 2/23, 6th grade. Teacher Salmon with 6th grade English only. 7th grade, Ms. Petronoff with 7th and 8th grade Spanish. And 8th grade, Ms. Petronoff, 7th and 8th grade Spanish, and Ms. Lopez English. And those are our tutoring opportunities for Westlane Middle School for today. On time every time, that's Wildcat time. Let's make sure we are on time. 0 tardy between 2:14 and 3:14. We'll have slushies on 3:17, March 17th, that is, and fewer than 2 tardies, 2:14, and 3:14 treats at lunch on 3:18. And at hall sweeps, first offense is detention, and we have those detention, we have big detention tonight. Second offense is redirection for the period. Third offense is Saturday school. Fourth offense is a parent shadow. Let's be on time, Wildcats. Don't forget our Roarbucks. You may purchase Roarbuck items in the bookstore during lunch. All food should be in the cafetorium. No food should be outside the cafetorium. Speaking of food, we are unable to heat up food or cook food for students. Students, all restroom passes are out of the classes are 5 minutes or less. Students, you need your ID at all times, especially in the cafeteria. We'll use it in breakfast and lunch. All cell phones in our locker between 9:15 and 4:20 will be taken if they're seen or heard. Right afterwards, right after these announcements, there's advisory today. 6th and 7th grade, you are on Second Step, Unit 3, Lesson 19. And 8th grade, you are in the circle of power and respect. Remember our motto, every Wildcat, every day gets better. Have a great day, Wildcats. We'll see you around the building.